Good morning, everyone. I got out here this morning and started mowing. I want to show you one of my trees that's down. Now this is just part of the tree. It's one of the big giant limbs from that big tree. As you can see, I'm not able to mow around it. I've picked up an awful lot of limbs. Here's my burn pile right here. Getting pretty big, isn't it? Boxes. That's my air conditioner I just bought. I've got to get out here and burn, but I'm up on a hill and it's really, really windy sometimes. We had a bad storm yesterday from that hurricane that hit Texas. Now we got thunder and lightning. And tons of rain. There's another one that's down. Big old big limb from that tree right there. So I can't mow in there. Just got too many trees. Oh my goodness, see how big it is? I mean, it's huge. But why do you see this one? Look at that. That is a monster. That is huge. Oh my goodness. All of that has to be cut up. Has to be burned. That has to be cut. All of this has to be cut. This one's still alive, but it's on the ground. Look how big that thing is. Now that's just a limb. That's just a regular limb. It's awful big, isn't it? Here's the tree it came from. That is a big one. See, this one's dead. Part of it anyway. Oh dear. This is what woods look like in East Texas. I don't know if you can see all those pine trees over there. Lots and lots of pine trees. A lot of things to do. I've got to mow. I already started mowing this morning. I did a little bit of mowing. I still have a lot more to do. I mow this myself. I have 1.25 acres. And at this time of year, my weeds really grow fast. There's my little garden area. Had to put my umbrella down because the winds were so strong. So I came out here in my pajamas and an umbrella, and it was raining so hard. Oh my goodness, I got soaked to the skin just trying to put this umbrella down, but I didn't want it to blow away. There's my squash. He's doing good. He may be the only one I have except for those 2 little ones over there. There's my cucumbers. Got a few. But that's okay. Just wanted to show you the storm damage. It's not too bad, although it certainly is a lot of work to get it cleaned up. And it's got to be cleaned up. I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.